What's your first reaction when you see a download pending error on the Google Play Store when you're just trying to install an app? Yeah, let's show you how to fix that. Hey guys, it's Joel here with Make Tech Easier. So this problem is more commonly faced while using public Wi-Fi on roaming networks and with traveler SIM cards in a foreign country. Google does recommend having a strong Wi-Fi connection or carrier network when downloading apps from the Play Store. But in many cases, it's not the internet speed which is the real issue. You also don't have to reboot your Android phone or tablet or nervously search for another Wi-Fi provider. There are calmer ways to ensure that you can start downloading your desired app in any urgent situation. A strange quirk of the Google Play Store is that if you use a VPN, it tends to think that you're not on Wi-Fi. This means that if you've set apps to only download and update over a Wi-Fi connection, they won't download if you are using a VPN. There are two possible solutions to this. The higher risk option is to allow to download over non-Wi-Fi networks. To do this, go to the settings in the Play Store and change the options under App Download Preference and Auto Update Apps to allow non-Wi-Fi downloads. Be warned that this may incur data usage charges if you're not careful. The safer option is to simply switch off your VPN whenever you want to download things from the Play Store, then switch it back on when you're done. There's a good chance that the Google Play Store app on your phone isn't currently set to have unrestricted data access in the background. This doesn't necessarily mean that downloads won't be occurring in the background, but in some cases it can cause unexpected holdups. So to address this problem, go to Settings, Data Usage, Data Saver, Unrestricted Data, then scroll down until you reach Google Play Store and tap the slider next to it so that it's blue and switched on, and get rid of that frustrating download pending message. If that doesn't fix your problem, then don't worry, we have more solutions to come. The basic idea of the download pending error is that Google prioritizes background updates and installations to more recent downloads. So on the Play Store app, click the icon with the 3 bars, followed by My Apps and Games. Here you can stop auto updates and any pending installations. This might seem counterintuitive, as many of us feel that auto updates free us from waiting for new features, bug fixes, and security patches, but the key is to be selective about the apps you're acquiring for auto updates. So to free up space on Android, it's always a good idea to disable auto updates and go for manual updates. If clearing the queue didn't work, you might be looking at device and Play Store version issues. Usually, if there's much less free space, it can interfere with the download of apps. As a precautionary step, go to Settings, followed by Battery and Storage, and check your device's storage issues. You can also clear the cache from the app info. It's good to delete any excess apps or bloatware which may be causing your device to act weirdly. As an option, you could force stop the Google Play App Store and start it once again. Sometimes SD cards can cause download issues on Play Store if they've not been set up properly. In such cases, take the card out and reinsert it. However, if it was corrupted, stop using the card because you don't really need one for a download on the Play Store anyway. The download pending error can always be bypassed by doing away with the Play Store altogether. You can visit the official Play Store website on your phone's browser and log in with your Google account to access the app. After selecting the app in your browser window, you have to choose your device model. You can check later if the app was successfully downloaded on the device. In the event that you're feeling extremely unlucky, here is one last method to try, short of a factory reset. It might be that you restarted your phone several times, emptied the cache, and checked the SD cards, but nothing has worked. You can always delete your Google account associated with Play Store and add it back up once again. Simply visit Accounts Google and select your account and select Remove Account. After 5 minutes, you can add a new account to sync with Play Store and start the download once again. All the methods used in this tutorial are tried and tested solutions from the Google Play Help website. Additionally, you can also choose to fix the problem on your own if you have permission to root your device, like on Pixel phones. Do you know any other methods to fix this common download error on the Google Play Store? Leave your ideas in the comments below. Well, that's it from me. If you love tech as much as we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn the bell on, and you'll be notified by our latest and greatest tech-savvy videos. See you next time.